1320 Motorsport. I swear 1320 got the best dogs. Hey. Coming down. Look at that shit.
Who labeled you a stepper, nigga? I was jumping off before first period, you was eating breakfast, nigga. Call my Glock, DMs cause it's gonna send you a message, nigga. Ride around, stolen cars, how about snatch your necklace, nigga? Stop.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, back again with another video. In today's video, I'm taking this bit to the spittle. So, I don't know what happened, but one day I was driving, felt like I had like a lack of power, and now I got a check engine light. So, I'm gonna go to 1320, get an oil change, and have it checked out. Hopefully it's nothing major. And this would happen the day before the rally that Fast Life Prince and I are hosting. So if you're in the Broward, or if you're in the Fort Lauderdale or Miami area, we are hosting a rally. I don't know if it's gonna be like monthly or I don't know. We'll figure that out. But I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. You already can see it. It's doing it now. Hold on. Look, you see the check engine light? Watch. Watch when the light warms up a little bit. I think that's even worse now. Man, let me hurry up and get 1320. I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get there. So I made it to the shop. Yeah, I can't even see it. 1320 Motorsport. But they about to take it in the Bizak. Get it big situated. Oh man. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, if it's something bigger than what it is, bye-bye Q, bro. I'm not about to deal with all that, bro. I'm telling you, I ain't about to deal with all that. But he about to take it back there right now, get me situated. Oil change, and then he's gonna diagnose the check engine light and things of that nature. Bluetooth I turned on. But he about to get everything situated and shit like that. Look at that purple looking bit. Perk ski. Trying to be like the fast guys back there. Them boys got, all these cars got big tires on them. Big tires. But I'm gonna pick up the camera when I'm in the shop so I can see like what they got going on and everything like that. Hey. I swear 1320 got the best dogs. Hey. Sheesh. Dog eyes fire. Look at that bit. Yes, sir. So right now they about to diagnose the check engine light right now. But then I gotta change the front tires ASAP. I'm about to do that after I leave here. But I'm about to drive my car. Jeez. Let's see what happens. Yo, it's crazy, like seeing your car getting drove by somebody else. Like, makes you be like, damn, that's my car. Let's see what happens though. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully it's nothing major, cause I don't feel like dealing with none of this shit. I've been squatting. Sheesh. I think I see him coming. I see him flying, bitch. Hey. I should go. Rock coming down. Look at that shit. Yeah. Let's see what he tells me. Hopefully it ain't nothing crazy. The machine. Low boys. Yo, so they cleared my check engine light, as I can see, but I still got the airbag light. The guy who clears the airbag light isn't here today, so they told me to come back sometime in a week. So right now, I'm about to actually go get some tires, cause boy, my tires is done. Well, I have one already with Jordan. I'm not up yet. I'm gonna get that and then get everything situated for this. What's the name? Oh shit, car low. For this rally today, make sure I'm straight, cause I ain't trying to, you feel me? Okay, that car feel back normal. So I just gotta make sure I keep my oil changes up to date, cause boy, if it was something worse, I'd have been hell no. But the car feeling good though. That's all that matters. The car's feeling good. I need gas, so I need a let me bust a U-turn. Fuck that. It might be a leak. Oh, and the police right there. I was about to hit me a fat U-turn. I need to get gas before I hop back on the highway. Car feeling mad good though. Breathing good. I don't know what they did, but shout out 1320, you feel me? But I'm gonna end this video off right here. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. And stay tuned for the rally. I'm gonna be dropping that after this video. Yeah, your boy Von.
This shit get crazy where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. This shit get crazy where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. Hey, been a savage since a jit. Never gave a fuck about a nigga or a bitch. Finna get duffled up, poking houses in the whip. I done find a new way, CVV, what's a zip? Good dope to the face, what you got, I need a zip. I be all on 24th, but I stay on 25th. From my dog across the way, yeah, he stay on 26. Got a dog down the fade, Glock hit chin shit. Dog went up the road, told that nigga slide right back. Now he up the road and he tryna get his life back. On your head, it's a fee, I ain't gotta pay a price tag. Dead in these streets if you play around with my cat. My name ain't Tyrese, I'm waist deep down in my bag. Better keep your heat, I know where my 4-5 at. Just